Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm decorating little gingerbread boys that are on vacation from their work at the North Pole. I'm starting by outlining and flooding in their swimsuits with about a 15-second flood consistency. I'm going to do a wet-on-wet candy cane effect on these swimsuits for a whimsical, fun, festive swimsuit. So I'm making alternating red and white dots immediately in the green icing and then dragging my scribe around the outside of the candy cane to make it swirl. And I'll do that again over here just by putting in alternating dots of red and white icing and then taking my scribe and dragging it around the outside edge to make the swirl pattern in the candy cane and give this guy some really crazy festive board shorts. And then I'm just going to add some red dots and put this cookie aside to dry for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Once it was dry, I came back in with my brown royal icing and I'm going to pipe in his feet and the rest of his body. My brown royal icing is in about a 15-second consistency, so I'll flood him in and then use my scribe to settle the icing down and get it out to the edges. I'm not sure where I found the cookie cutters for this gingerbread boy and girl set. I think I've had them forever. I think it might have been part of an Amazon purchase where there was all occasion cutters and there's probably 100 cutters in the box. Bet you could probably do this with any gingerbread boy and girl cutters. So I set this cookie aside to dry for about 20 minutes and now I'm just going to outline the swimsuit and set it aside to dry again. I'll come back and add the nose and a little more detail to the shorts, and then I'm going to put this cookie aside to dry completely. I actually let it dry overnight before coming back and painting in the little gingerbread pattern on his body. I'll leave a link to the products I used in the description. And then I also decided to add some little white dots to his board shorts just to make them a little more festive. Using a black edible marker, I drew in the face, a belly button, and then I put a little tie on a swimsuit, and this guy is ready for the beach. And for his buddy, I'm going to do a wet-on-wet plaid pattern for his board shorts, so I piped it with a white royal icing in about a 12-second consistency, and then I'm immediately adding red and green stripes in a vertical pattern, and then I'll go back and immediately add them in a horizontal pattern to create the plaid. I will use my scribe to get rid of any bumps on the sides because those won't be covered up by the brown icing that we used to flood in his body. So I let him dry for about 20 minutes, then I flooded in his body off camera and let that dry for about 20 minutes before piping the nose and the detail to his board shorts. And I'll use my scribe to smooth out the icing and get it looking the way I want it here. Then I let the cookie dry completely before coming back in with my edible paint and painting in the gingerbread pattern on his body. And then I took an edible marker and added in the details to his face and gave him a belly button and a little bow on his board shorts. And this guy's ready for the beach. So what do you think about these gingerbread beach bums? You could make these cookies to complement any summer swimming set or beach set. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials for you every day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.